Hey guys, welcome back. Before we get started with today's video, I want to give you an update on the tadpoles. If you don't remember, a few days ago, I uploaded on the day of filming, so maybe that was like 4 days ago. I showed you the tadpoles, and some of them just had legs, but none had arms. I'm going to see if I can find one right now and show you, but they've changed so much already. It's kind of a bad angle because I couldn't find any other ones, but if you look, it basically looks like a frog now, just a tail. Here's one moving around. Look at him. It's like a full frog now, he just has a tail. It's ridiculous. That's like 3 days difference from this to what I showed you before, which was basically a tadpole with some back legs. It's pretty crazy. I just thought I was filming, but I wasn't.
You're filming now.
We're on a covert operation in Walmart.
Yeah, we are now.
There's Owen being an idiot. We're on a covert operation in Walmart doing a $20 fishing challenge. That means I have $20 to buy a pole, everything I need, a lure, everything, okay? So I got this pole, it's only $10. Colby's laughing at me. It's honestly pretty good though. Now, I'm gonna buy some of these spinners right here. I'm gonna get 2 of these. That puts us at around $15. Actually,
those are too expensive. Just get one.
I'm buying one of these and one of these other ones right here. And then now, I gotta buy some hooks in case we get. No, not these, not these. Yeah, we're buying some hooks in case we get some brim to put on. I'm trying to be quiet though. Shh, be quiet, Colby. There's people here and they're looking at us strange. Okay, seriously though. Should I get bobbers? How much are these?
Dude, these are. Oh, that's a good deal.
Well, how much are they? You just said they're.
No.
You said they're a good deal and he doesn't know how much they cost.
But like, it's a lot of them.
Oh, it's a good deal.
Here, I'm gonna get. Oh.
Okay, so I abandoned the bobber idea. I'm just gonna get these hooks that I already have and some worms. I'm not worms. Lizards. I'm an idiot. I need to find some small ones though. All these are kind of big, and I don't want to get. Because we catch small bass normally, I don't want to get something that's gonna make them not want to bite it. So once I find that, I'll pick it back up. Okay, this is what we ended up getting: mini lizards, hooks, 2 spinners, and a $10 pole. Now we're gonna go to the river and see if it pays off.
Right now.
Ended up being $27, but I bought Owen a lure that was like 6 something, so $20 challenge is confirmed.
But we still gotta catch the fish. So.
That's true.
Yep.
On to the river. While I was waiting for them to get their stuff, I went ahead and rigged this up, and we're gonna use this spinner first. And this is probably what I've had the most success with in the river. Seems like the color helps a lot just because of it stands out in like the kind of green water of the river. So that's what we're gonna use first, and we'll see if we catch anything. Catch anything?
Huh?
Catch anything?
What?
Did you catch anything?
Yeah, shell cracker.
Stop. Don't fall, Mr. Noah. Hopefully that's not broken.
Don't fall, Mr. Noah.
Oh man. Quality content right there. Oh my god. I'm quite dirty.
Noah.
I'm so coordinated.
I cannot walk. Shut up, Owen. I literally cannot walk. Hey, you gotta like look to the rock, you idiot.
Well, if I'm looking at the screen.
Well, you can stop recording, sir. You're gonna make this all without audio, right?
No.
Not all of it.
Owen thinks I'm not recording his voice. Oh, little does he know!
I know you're not gonna put that in.
Noah already found a gar, and Owen thinks he's about to catch something.
Where now?
Catch him, Owen. I want to get this on camera.
I don't think he's going for it anymore.
I see a seagull.
I don't think he likes it. He's no longer interested.
Noah found the turtle.
Get him, Mr. Noah!
Ooh, he's trying to swim.
Big turtle thing.
$20 fishing challenge has officially begun. Here's the first cast.
Alright, so we're out here doing the $20 Walmart fishing challenge. Getting the first cast on film here. See what we can do. Beautiful cast. So Aaron put me on camera work here. There's a first fish right there. It's dead though.
What? The little kid? Oh, that's a little Blake bullhead like I have in the tank.
Just like the one Aaron has in his fish tank, but unfortunately this one, he's no longer with us.
I don't have a GoPro, so I'm sorry I can't film everything, but hopefully I'll buy one soon. Look at this tree. I don't know how good it looks in there, but my goodness, it looks cool on here. Lure's okay, and the reel, not a lure. Pole is fine, the reel's a little funky, but it's working for now, so hopefully I'll catch something soon. I'm gonna throw in a picture of that tree because it looks so cool. That's it. What the heck just happened? Look at this. Look how small this brim is compared to that lure. Owen just caught a pretty big gar, by the way, but this is crazy. Look at this. Look at the sizing ratio to that. That is hysterical. That's my only catch so far, but I guess we proved that a $20 setup can catch you a 3-inch brim. Just let the other one go and Owen caught a little bass.
Oh!
A little large now. So we met back up with Colby and Noah, and they caught what? A few bass and a gar?
Yeah.
Okay, I see. Oh my God, Owen's got one on. What is it?
The smallmouth.
Smallmouth.
Dude, that's sick.
That's a nice one.
$20 Walmart challenge.
He's hooked.
Going right, man. It's going pretty good.
Well, $20 Walmart challenge has gone right for everyone except the person who's doing the challenge. Go, Colby.
I'm about to fall and bust my freaking butt.
This is actually very steep. Like, if I look eye level, that's this, and then these steep freaking slope.
Oh!
And Mr. Noah cut his foot pretty bad.
Colby had no problem.
On glass.
Colby's a
There's
little turd.
penises.
Finally done. Holy crap.
Walmart challenge. Gone right.
Completed. Kind of gone right. Partially.
I don't shut up.
So how many gar did we catch?
2.
One.
2.
We
I caught one.
We caught one.
How many snakes did we kill?
We killed one snake.
I killed a venomous snake that was threatening me.
No, it wasn't though.
Yes, it was.
You weren't there, Aaron.
You weren't there, you freaking butt.
And
He looked real mean.
He did.
some brim, and a bunch of bass, right?
That's right. A couple smallmouth. a couple
Only one
largemouth.
fish on the $20 challenge rod and reel.
This
though.
That's
container-
right,
this
that's
container
right.
is
But
like-
I bet you if I wasn't fishing, there would have been more. So,
If you weren't fishing.
yeah, I'm saying if one of y'all was using it, they probably would have caught more.
That's
Because
right.
he's saying that he's an inferior fisherman.
That's true.
But he probably did okay for what he had.
Well, I suck at fishing, but
That's
honestly,
true.
if they had the
But we also caught some crawdads and a turtle.
Send in the comment section what we should name our YouTube channel.
No,
Because we
it's
have-
not our YouTube channel. It's mine.
What we should
And I already
name?
named it.
What should we name? What should we name this retard's YouTube channel? Because it's
I know we got 28 days. I'm not the first dinner.
hey,